Today we're finding out who's been ringing our doorbell with the help of our new doorbell camera. Now I can see anyone who rings my doorbell, record their face, and even talk to them. This doorbell camera is awesome and has a ton of cool features. It comes shipped to your door with everything you'll need to get started. Inside the box, you can find your user manual, a fancy boy sticker, a micro SD USB charging cable, a baggie of hardware, a mounting template, your doorbell ringer, and I've got to say, I love the way the ringer looks when it catches the light. And it's powered by 3 AAA batteries, which are included. And lastly, you can find your doorbell camera. Installation is really easy and takes little time. To get started, remove the backing from the doorbell camera. Then screw it onto the wall in an area you want to have video coverage. Slide back on the battery doorbell and screw it down to lock it into place. Put your AAA batteries into the ringer and then test the doorbell. Give it a press and your ringer will ring, alerting you that you are at the door. Then to get full customization and options, you have to download the Cloud Edge app. Click Add Device, select Battery Camera, then it gives you pairing instructions and connects to Wi-Fi. After it's connected, it asks you to scan a QR code with the doorbell camera, and then it successfully connects. Now you can go into the app and select your doorbell chime. It has a lot of different options to find the perfect chime for you. Then you can check who's come to your door and even answer and receive video calls from your doorbell. It has two-way audio and allows you to talk to the person at your door. You can even go back and review events that happened in front of your doorbell. You can also go into the app and enable AI detection modes. You can set up human detection, how long it records for, and even lets you set up the detection area. And if that's not enough, you can even connect it to your Alexa or Google Home. Now whenever someone rings my door, I will know right away. I can answer the door without ever going to the door, and I can also not answer the door when those unwanted visitors are visiting. Between the ringer ringing and the phone notifications, I will know when someone's at the door, wherever I am, and that's just awesome. So if you're looking for some extra security and peace of mind for your doorbell, this doorbell camera might just be for you. Till next time, I'm gonna go relax on the couch and wait for my next package. I'll know when they're here. See ya.